Hello my Legion Mothers and welcome finally to the 3D puzzle building of a Schloss castle. As you can see, I start just putting the pieces of a puzzle off from the paper sprue and I use the puncher for punching the holes. Here we have the main structure or the main gate for the castle, and I start putting cables for the lights to the structure, and now I start building the main base, the main terrain with these huge pieces of a puzzle and putting it just into the holes. And of course I use mostly super glue because it's not hold very well together, so that's the main point and the main issue which I had with this kit, but it looks pretty and nice, and of course adding here as well the light. After that, going to another part of the castle and adding stairs. After the stairs I just add this huge piece to the main concrete structure, as you can see right now, just filling it with holes, and it looks pretty nice, I must say. It was relaxing build, but yeah, it took me like 2 months, but it's just me and my type of a building, models, etc. So, and I don't really feel right. And here you can see lights, and now as you can see, again using a super glue to just put it to the main structure to hold it great. Of course, adding the wall, adding this structure to the bigger campaign of a castle, adding the circle around the tower, adding the tower finally. As you can see, we are much closer to the finish of this beast. Yeah, here you can see how it looks now, pretty nice, almost end. Adding another type of windows and walls with a roof. Just struggling a little bit with holes and ceiling in it. Yeah, completing the another top with a roof part. I was a bit struggling with it. And adding the main roof to the main structure, as you can see right now, just pop into the holes, and that's it. Adding these small details to the roof, and now some greens, some vegetations. Of course, as you can see, like always, I'm using the super glue for the better strength. After the grass, I of course add the wall of bricks to the castle on sides, as you can see. Right now, I again just doing it to the holes, adding these small details on the other side of the roof, as you can see. It's something like, I think, small towers or something like that. Again, adding greens to the sides of walls. That's really important to look better. Adding small touches like a main door, of course. After that, we move to the tower, adding last few details to whole tower, just the top. As you can see right now, this is the top part of a turret. After that, of course, don't forget on the second turret as well. Yeah, and adding the small tower here to the sides. Again, struggling with a bit. I was really nervous and a little bit. I have a nervous, and with these small details and with the last touch of greens, is the finally Castle Schlosshof finished. This is how it looks. Light up with all LEDs. Here you can see how it looks with all LED lights, etc. So thank you for watching, and I hope we will see in the next building video, restoration video, or others. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.